Go to your desktop and find out the app that you want to hide. Let's hide Roblox. So right clicking on Roblox and opening properties. In here, under general, you find this hidden option. So check hidden, click on apply and click on OK. And then we can see the Roblox player is still showing. Now we have to hide. So go to your file explorer. In file explorer, click on view, hover over on show, and here uncheck hidden items. And then we can see the Roblox is now hidden completely. And to open any hidden app, just click this search icon and type the app name, and the app will appear here. From here you can easily go ahead and use the app. So that's how you can actually hide apps. And to unhide, you have to reverse all of these settings.